Dr. Julie Schell from Bow Bottom Veterinary Hospital, and today I would like to show you some traditional Chinese veterinary medicine massage techniques called Tui Na massage. And that means Tui is push and Na is pull. So we're going to be doing about 6 different massage episodes today and show you the techniques. Massage is very good for improving circulation, and one of my favorite massages is called Gun Fa, which is a rotary kind of kneading where you're basically using the heel of your hand as well as the flat part of your hand to basically improve circulation by rubbing all the way down the back of the dog. And you can basically flip-flop using your elbow as a fulcrum, and that helps push all of that extra blood that's stagnating, that's kind of not circulating well, to the surface and around the other areas. And so Scamp is a really good boy, and he lets me do this quite nicely. Dogs will often lean into the areas where they want to be massaged. The other one that's really good is called Ru Fa, and it's basically rotary kneading. So it's kind of taking the palm of your hand in small dogs, or you can use in cats just the top part of your fingers, and just kind of go in circular motion like clockwise and counterclockwise. And basically this helps vigorously also improve the muscle flow and gets rid of stagnating blood. And often the dog will lean in to the areas that it really wants to be massaged. And notice that I'm not wearing any bracelets or watches or rings, because those can damage and interfere with the comfort of the animal when you're doing a massage. So you don't really need to go ahead with come on, Skip. You don't really need to put on any jewelry, so make sure you take all rings and bracelets and watches off. So basically it's rotary massage all the way down and pretty briskly. Like, you get a pretty good workout when you're giving a good massage to a dog. And he's very food motivated, as you can tell. The next one that I really like is called Tui Fa, which is a nice technique where you are going to be using a pushing technique. So basically you're taking your fingers and pushing all the way down the long legs of the dog, and you're basically really squishing into those muscles and getting all that circulation going. And he'll kind of lean in to the areas that he really wants to be massaged. And sometimes they're going to be like sitting down, or they can be standing up. It doesn't really matter. You have to kind of work with the animal. Scamp has a lot of energy, so you're just kind of like working with him and letting him tell you what he wants to be done. The next one is Ni Fa, which is pinching, and this is one that works really well with Scamp, because you can take your fingers and just kind of pull the fur as well as the skin underneath the fur toward you. And you can definitely relieve a lot of fascial tissue that's connected to itself by releasing it by just gentle pushing. And you don't want to just pinch with 1 or 2 fingers. You want to use your whole hand so that you can get a good bit of flesh and you can pull up and out. And that's a really fun technique for a lot of dogs with a loose skin. Good boy. The next one that I really like is Du Fa, which is shaking, and this is a very important one to make sure that you are able to use. Like, talk to your veterinarian to make sure that your dog is okay to accept this massage. It's basically when you take the leg and you're just kind of shaking it. You want to be in the same alignment that the dog's natural alignment is. You never want to pull away or out. You want to just basically shake the leg nicely, and you can do that with the hind leg too. And you only want to use your own arms, like you don't want to shake with your whole body up and down. It's just like an arm motion, so that you're not doing too vigorous of a massage to a dog. It's just shaking around every single leg and every single tail that you can comfortably give to the dog. And then the last one that I really like is the patting technique, and it's called Pa Fa Fei, which is basically when you take your hand like a cup, and instead of a flat hand, you want to use a cup, and you're just kind of like gently patting the dog all over. And he often really likes this when he's in a quieter mood. Like right now, Scamp is really excited, so he is enjoying eating the treats. But overall, when he's concentrating nicely, the dogs often will lean in to the areas that they really want to be patted. And that's another way of relieving pressure and relieving pain in the dog. And I always avoid the contact with the top of the spine. Like, I never like to push or pat the very top of the spine. It's always the side muscles around the legs, the tail base, the back of the dog, the neck, and just patting him all over. So it's a pretty fun workout for you and for your dog. And it works really well in combination with some acupuncture as well as chiropractic. So you can use a combination of all three methods. And same thing, there's a lot of massage essential oils that you can use with the treatment that you are giving with the massage. And so often I will prescribe certain types of oils to use in combination with the massage techniques. But yeah, if you have any questions, definitely give us a call or talk to your own veterinarian. But our contact number is 403-278-1984, and our website is www.bullbottomvet.com. Thank you very much. Hey Skip, you love your food.